a nigga hit the lottery, so when you going up, how can you plummet? Damn, you stun it. On the land, when you expand the grands, they understand who run it. In the jam, you brung it. Coming from all the fans, the Kansas City man do.
Hey you guys, so today I'm doing another what I eat in a day on keto video. I actually just got through eating my first meal, but I'm gonna show y'all what I ate, how I made it. Yeah, and I'm only eating twice today, no snack today, because typically I only eat once a day, but for these videos I'm trying to at least do two meals for y'all. So yeah, I'm actually also rocking my Keto Squad shirt that I got from See My Keto off Instagram. I'll try to remember to post her Instagram below, but it's C, the letter C, My Keto, and her website, you can follow it from there. So yeah, that's about it. Enjoy the video. Hey y'all, so here's everything that I will be using to make my egg waffles. So I'm just showing y'all overview. I got this mini dash waffle maker off Amazon, and the strawberries won't be going inside the waffles, just as a decoration. But you know, my coconut flour, you can get that anywhere, baking powder, and my little French toast sweetener. But here is my magic bullet container. It's clean, just has water spots, but it's clean, trust me. So the first ingredient I'm gonna go ahead and use are 4 large eggs, and just crack those on up. Now I'm using 4 ounces of cream cheese. Any cream cheese is fine. I'm just using the what is it called, Philadelphia cream cheese. And I'm just gonna add 4 tablespoons of some melted butter. I use Kerrygold butter. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of the coconut flour. Okay, now I'm using my Lakanto monk fruit sweetener. Got this on Amazon, and I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of this sugar substitute. It's super sweet. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my French toast like extract, flavor extract. I will also let you guys know the website information. Check the description box. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder and just a pinch of cinnamon, and that's optional, y'all don't have to do that. So now we're going to go ahead and get this stuff good and blended. Here's the keto flavor pack that I was talking about. It's cornbread, French toast, maple syrup, and cinnamon roll. I'll have a link below. And I sprayed some non-stick spray. I didn't need to because this is a non-stick spray mini waffle maker. So I'm just going to pour a nice amount of batter on here and go ahead and let this cook. Now, this was my very first time using this. I had just gotten it, so I was excited to try it. But I can say that I was really impressed with using this. It made my waffles come out looking amazing. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So soft and fluffy. And I'm gonna go ahead and make a few more. To do my drink. These are electrolytes, blue raspberry and fruit punch. I normally do my lemonade, but I wanted to do one of these. And I'm just gonna put it in my water and shake it on up. So I'm gonna let that get cold with my ice. My syrup is the, hold on. the Cantu natural sweetener maple flavor. Not bad. This is good. Hey y'all, so it's later in the afternoon and we're just making some taco stuff. So here are some chicken thighs that are gonna get cut up for chicken tacos. Then we have the ground beef over here draining. We just gotta season it. And then we have shrimp tacos, which this is what I'm gonna mainly partake in. And I'm gonna show you guys, this is just a bag of small shrimp. Some green pepper chopped up, some onion chopped up. We let it saute, get really soft, then added the shrimp. Season it with whatever you want. I seasoned it with Tony's Creole seasoning, some onion powder, black pepper, some pink Himalayan salt, and I added a little cayenne for spice. So yeah, and I'm actually going to be using the Mama Loops low carb tortillas. These are only 3 net carbs. So what you do is you take the total carbohydrate, which is 7, subtract the dietary fiber, which is 4, which leaves you with 3 net carbs. So I'm gonna do 1 or 2 of these, and I'm also gonna do a lettuce wrapped taco. We'll show y'all when I get ready to plate everything. Okay, you guys, so here's my dinner. I have one lettuce taco with ground beef, some guacamole, some sour cream. Then I have 2 low carb shrimp tacos, and I actually have Southwest Chipotle Ranch from Hidden Valley with sour cream, and I have 2 of those. And this will be my dinner, and then I'll be drinking my strawberry lemonade, my favorite. So yeah, this is my last meal of the day. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. I know y'all didn't see me cook this meal, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoy it. I'll see y'all in the next one. You dripping all your stuff on the table.